Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Pycharm on your Mac. To install Pycharm, we must open our web browser. I use Safari. You can use Google, Chrome, Firefox, any web browser you want. So I'm gonna open Safari. Here I have to search a Pycharm. Then I click on the link that has the URL of jetbrains.com. I click on download, and here you click on the Apple chip you have. If you have an Intel chip, you click on Intel. It'll start downloading. I don't have an Intel chip, so I just stopped it. Clear. Or if I have an Apple Silicon, you click on Apple Silicon. To find out which chip you have, you click on About This Mac. Here, if it says Apple and then anything, you have an Apple Silicon. If it does not, then you have an Intel. So I'm just gonna close this, and now we wait for Pycharm to download. My Pycharm has now finished downloading, so I'm gonna open it. I need to go to downloads. Then I'm gonna click on Pycharm. I'm gonna drag it to applications. Then I'm gonna double click on applications. I should see Pycharm CE there. I can double click on that. Click on open. Here I need to click on this checkbox. Continue. This is your choice if you want to send anonymous statistics or not. I personally don't want to send anonymous statistics. Then it should load Pycharm for me. To create a project, I click on new project. And then here I enter my project's name. Then I click on create. So I'm just gonna make my project stop show tutorials. Then I'm gonna click on create. Now my stop show tutorials project has been created, and I can create code in this. This is the default file for Pycharm. It comes with every new project. So you can delete this if you want. I'm gonna do that right now. So that was how to install Pycharm. Thanks for watching and see you next time.